The Capital One Cash Rewards Card. The card for people who want 50% more cash.
What's in your wallet?
Great things can come out of sweat. So don't let odor stop you. Gillette Odor Shield turns odor into freshness.
So I have a great idea.
Simple online collaboration will change the way you work. And perhaps the whole world more. Visit GoToMeeting.com and sign up for your free 30-day trial.
This election year,
CNN takes you on a journey with citizen soldiers as they struggle to serve country and their families.
that's Wanted, narrated by J.R. Martinez, May 13th, 8 p.m. Eastern.
That leaky roof will cost you thousands in repairs, and gushing gutters can destroy your home's foundation. Phil Swift here for Flex Seal, the easy way to coat, seal, and stop leaks fast. Flex Seal fills cracks and holes, stopping the toughest leaks, remaining completely flexible. Flex Seal is actually liquid rubber in a can. To show you the amazing sealing power of Flex Seal, we replaced the bottom of this boat with a screen door. We covered it in Flex Seal. After a day on the water, the inside is completely dry. Don't call a repairman. That'll cost you thousands of dollars. You can get Flex Seal right now for
Good blow.
$19.99. Flex Seal is perfect for roof repair and basement leaks and so much more.
So knockout?
We're going to double your order.
I don't think so.
For only $19.99. Just pay processing. Call now.
To order Flex Seal, call 1-800